In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Hostinger free domain step by step using the official method that comes with eligible hosting plans. This is a great option if you want to launch a website, start a blog, build a portfolio, or create a business site without paying separately for your domain name. I'll walk you through the entire process from choosing the right plan to claiming your free domain and finishing the registration. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the hosting plans available. To qualify for the free domain offer, you usually need to purchase a premium or business hosting plan, and in most cases, the plan needs to be for 12 months or longer. That's the key step because the free domain is typically included as part of the hosting package, not as a separate standalone freebie. Now choose the hosting plan that fits your needs. If you're just getting started, the premium plan is often a popular choice, but the business plan can also be a solid option if you want a little more performance and flexibility. After selecting your plan, continue to the checkout process and complete your payment. Make sure everything is entered correctly before you submit, because your free domain claim will usually become available after the hosting purchase is confirmed. Once your payment is complete, log into your Hostinger account and go to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage your hosting, websites, and domain options. In the dashboard, look for the section that says Claim Free Domain. This is the feature you need to activate your included domain name. Click on Claim Free Domain and Hostinger will ask you to enter the domain name you want. Type in the name you want for your website. Try to keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. After that, select the domain extension you want, such as .com, .net, or another available option. Then click Search so Hostinger can check whether the domain is available. If the domain is available, you'll see the option to continue. Click Continue to move forward. If it's not available, don't worry. You can try a different name or choose another extension until you find one that works. This part is important because the free domain still has to be an available domain name that can actually be registered. Next, Hostinger will ask you to fill in your domain details. This usually includes your contact information and registration details required for the domain. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate because this information is tied to your domain ownership. After reviewing the details, click Finish Registration to complete the process, and that's it. Once the registration is done, your Hostinger free domain will be claimed and connected to your account. From there, you can start building your website, connecting it to your hosting, and setting up your online presence. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you money when you're getting a new site off the ground. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.